In this video, let's see how to crochet these cute mini rosebuds. So let's get started. Hey guys, welcome to DIY Crafts. For this, I am using cotton 4-ply yarn along with a crochet hook of size 3 mm. Now let us begin by making a slip knot. And then make chain 10. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So once you have these 10 chains, skip the first chain from the hook and into the next chain make one single crochet stitch. Now into the next 2 stitches also make one single stitch, which means we have 3 single crochet stitches. That's second stitch and then the third stitch. So after completing the 3 single crochet stitches, into the next stitch make a half double crochet increase, which means make 2 half double crochet stitches into the same stitch. So that's HDC increase in this chain, and into the next chain make one more half double crochet increase. That's again 2 half double crochet stitches into the same stitch, and then another half double crochet increase. That's first half double stitch and then second half double stitch into the same stitch. Now we will have 3 more stitches remaining, and in those each stitch make 3 double crochet stitches. So that's one stitch, that's the second one, and then the third one. All 3 double crochet stitches into the same stitch. Now repeat this for the next 2 stitches as well. So 3 double crochet stitches, that's the first one, and now this one is the second one, and then the third double stitch. Now make another double crochet stitches, increases in the last stitch. That's 3 double stitches. 1, 2 and then 3. Once all the stitches are done, this is how the shape looks like. Now let's fasten off. Make chain 1 and trim the excess thread by leaving a little long tail end. And we are going to use this tail end to give the finishings to the bud. Now with the help of a tapestry needle, weave in the starting tail end. Insert the tail end into the tapestry needle. And now hide the tail end across the stitches as shown in the video. Just pass the needle through a couple of stitches in order to hide the tail end. And then trim the excess thread. Now after completing this, you can see this is how the bud looks like. So now how you twirl your rosebud is up to your wish, but my approach is by curling it outside. So correct face faces the outside and the wrong side goes into the rosebud. Now twirl it, and this is how the alignment looks like if you rotate it on the outer side. Now using the finishing tail end, we are going to secure the formation of the rosebud. Take the yarn into the tapestry needle, and now check the position where the last stitch is sitting, and then first secure this position with a knot. Then slowly take this tail end to the base of the rosebud. You can check the video. Just pass the needle through the last double crochet stitch until you reach the base of the rosebud, and then pass the needle through all the layers of the twirl so that the needle passes through the foundation chain of each and every layer, securing the rosebud formation is safe and secure. And now repeat it a couple more times from left to right, top to bottom, and every other possible way, so that the formation is secure, and you can check it by pulling the layer from the inside. And once it's done, finally make a last knot, then hide the tail end and then trim the excess thread. And that's it. Your cute mini rosebud is now ready. I hope you all enjoyed watching this tutorial. Do give this pattern a try and let me know where you are going to use this rosebud in your crochet projects in the comments below. See you all in the next video. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, share it and subscribe to DIY Crafts.